Welcome back to the shop. Today we are going to be doing a quick project here. It's an air filter replacement on a 2014 Honda Ridgeline. This will work from any model all the way from 2006 to 2014. The model number for this Fram Extra Guard is a CA10015, and when you look at the engine bay, the air filter is located right over here. This is the air filter housing. So in this case, we have 4 8mm bolts, or you can use Phillips, and we have 4 bolts. 1 here, 1 back here, and 2 up front here, holding the top cover down. The other thing that we're going to have to just remove for ease of use is very gently, and it shouldn't be hard to get off, is that sensor line right there. We're going to tuck that off to the side over here, and remember to put that on at the end. So here we go. We got the 4 8mm bolts that we're just going to undo. They are not very tight. You could be doing this with a screwdriver. Now, those are self-capturing bolts, which is really nice. You don't have to worry about them coming loose. Just lift this up, and you're gonna draw out, and you can see how dirty that old filter is. Now you're gonna grab your new filter, and again, just set this back. And you can see right down in there, it's nice and clean. Set your new filter down in, bring the top cover back down, and tighten the bolts. Now, don't forget to come over here, reconnect your sensor line, and that's it. So that's a quick and easy project anybody can do, and that is gonna help your engine breathe a little bit better. Thanks very much for coming by the channel today. Hopefully this helped you out. It's a very quick video on something that you do not need to pay somebody to do. Quick tool, and the job's done in about 2 minutes. If you want to see some more videos, please subscribe to my channel. Put a comment down below for anything else you'd like to see, and we'll see you next time.